I made chicken saltimbocca, and I'm going to tell you why Pinot Noir is the perfect pairing for it. So let's make chicken saltimbocca. First thing I need to do is I want to get my chicken breasts cut, and I need to pound them out. I've got some plastic wrap here. I'm going to line my cutting board with plastic wrap so that I can pound them. So these chicken breasts are going to be split in half. So I'm going to cover my breast. I'm going to lightly season my chicken cutlets with salt and pepper. I want to go lightly on the salt because the prosciutto is a little bit salty. So just a little bit of salt. I've got some flour here. I'm going to season my flour with some fresh cracked black pepper. And I'm going to dredge my chicken breasts in this flour. I've got some chopped sage. I'm going to top my chicken with the sage. I've got this really thinly sliced prosciutto. I'm going to place a slice of prosciutto on top of each piece of chicken. Give it a little push. Help it stick a little bit. I'm going to set these aside, get my pan ready to get these pan fried. I'm going to add some olive oil to my pan. I'm going to place enough oil in there to coat the bottom of the pan. I've got some whole sage leaves that I want to get nice and crispy. I'm going to use these as a garnish for my finished chicken. And as this oil is on its way to getting hot, before it gets all the way hot, I'm going to go ahead and gently fry these until they're crispy. I'm going to place my chicken in the pan, prosciutto side down. So on this side, we're going to cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. We want to make sure that it's cooked all the way through. I first had saltimbocca a few years ago traveling in Napa. had dinner at a fantastic Italian restaurant and had chicken saltimbocca. I was blown away with how simple but full of flavor this dish was. And I remember at the time having Pinot Noir with it. That's why I'm pairing it with the Pinot Noir today, because I already know it's a fantastic pairing. I've had it before, it's tried and true. All right, so got the last of this saltimbocca out of the pan. I'm gonna pour this this oil out of this pan. I'm gonna use the same pan to build my sauce. So the pan is really hot. I'm gonna wait to turn the heat back on and just utilize the heat that I already have. I'm gonna add my butter to the pan. I've got some shallots that I'm gonna add to the pan. Garlic. I want to saute that up just for about a minute or so. I don't want to go too brown with it. I just want to make sure that it's really nice and fragrant. I've got some Marsala wine. I'm going to move away from the flame to pour this. I'm gonna pull my pan away from the flame. Let that simmer for a minute or so. Got some chicken stock that I'm gonna add. I've also got some heavy cream here that I'm gonna add. If you're enjoying the video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I want to bring this to a simmer. I'm going to reduce it a little bit and it's going to thicken up. I'm going to season my sauce with some salt and pepper. I've got this little pot here with a strainer. I'm gonna strain my sauce. I'm ready to get my chicken on a plate. Just place my sauce right on the plate. Chicken goes right onto the sauce. A little bit more sauce here. Sage. It's nice and crispy. I've got some lemon wedges here. We're gonna just put our lemon wedges here. To pair with my chicken saltimbocca, I've chosen the 2020 Occidental Running Fence Vineyard Pinot Noir. This is from Sonoma County. This is a project from Stephen Kistler, who's formerly of Kistler Vineyards, who makes world famous Chardonnays and Pinot Noirs. All right, pretty dark in color. Subtle nose, kind of creamy on the nose. When I mean by creamy, just what I said. Imagine ice cream or some kind of sweet cream and fruit. It's exactly what it smells like. I'm getting cherries, some strawberry, plenty of floral notes. I'm ready to give it a taste. Wow, still really young. It's a 2020, still really young, zippy fruit. Oh, vibrant acidity. It's light bodied on the palate. Really good Pinot Noir. Now let's get into this chicken. All right. That prosciutto is nice and crispy. We'll squeeze a lemon. That earthy sage, crispy prosciutto, and that lemon sets it right off. I'm telling you, this is really good. And it pairs. Wow, that is fantastic. This is so delicious. So the name Saltimbocca, it literally means jump in the mouth. That's the flavor that this provides. I mean, it's jumping in my mouth like that, seriously. But I gotta double check. And this works really well with the light seasoning. This prosciutto adds a little bit of salt to it, so make sure that you go light on the salt. I forgot my lemon that time, so forgive me, I need to get another piece. One more time, let's do that again. That is a perfect pairing. I'm Chef Glenn Bean, as always, eat well.